Hello, my studious kids. Hope you are enjoying studies at your home. Today, in our English grammar class, we are going to take which topic? Yes, punctuation. Now, this punctuation marks we have already studied in second standard. So, let's revise how many punctuation marks are there. Question mark, colon, semicolon, comma, period means full stop. So these are all punctuation. Now we'll see what is a punctuation mark and when which punctuation mark is being used. A full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark or comma help to make complete sense of a sentence. So these symbols are called punctuation mark. Now first punctuation mark is capitalization. Now when to use this capitalization? Every sentence should begin with a capital letter. As we all know kids, while writing anything, the first word, the first letter, it will always be capital. We are always using capital letter. And this capital letter can be names of countries, names of institutions, organizations, capitalized proper noun and name of festivals. So case capitalization, all these we use capital letters. And as you all know, proper nouns are already be in capital letters. So this is capitalization. Now second one is full stop. Now when is this full stop used? A full stop is used at the end of a complete sentence, that is a statement. I know the truth, that is a complete sense statement. Now when is this full stop used? Whenever we are ending any of the sentence with the complete sense, at the end we use full stop. So this is also one use of punctuation, full stop. The next one is comma. Now, when to use this comma? Commas indicate a brief pause. They are not as final as full stops. See, when we are using comma, when we need to pause any sentences. Like we use commas to separate words and words groups in a simple series of 3 or more items. If we are comparing anything, if we are adding anything with 2 or more word group, then we are using comma. For example, she is kind, honest and helpful girl. See, here we are using comma after word kind. So we are using these words for a girl. She is kind, honest and helpful girl. And at the end of the every sentence, what we are using? Yes, full stop. And at the starting, we are using capital letter. Very good. Now, next one is question mark. Now, we all know when we are using this question mark. Okay. We use question mark when writing direct questions such as, how are you? Where are you from? What is your name? In simple word, if we can say, if we are asking anything, what mark we use? We use question mark. At the end, we use question mark. Now, the last one is exclamation. See, you can see how the exclamation mark is. The exclamation mark, which is also known as the exclamation point, looks like a period with a vertical bar above it. Period means very good. Full stop. Period means full stop with a vertical bar. Vertical bar means a standing line. Sentence that have a strong feeling and end with an exclamation mark are exclamatory. Whenever we are using a sentence of any strong feeling or emotions, at the end we use exclamation mark and that sentence is called exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray, we won. Hooray is a exclamation word and after that we are using exclamation mark. Hooray, we won. The next word is, that's a wonderful party. Means an exact strong feeling we are adding to this, that is, that's a wonderful party. So at the end we are using exclamation mark. Now we'll see one short exercise. Now what we have to do in this exercise? Rewrite the following sentences using suitable punctuation mark. Now we have already studied punctuation marks, so we'll see when to use when. Do you have my pencil? See here, no capitalization, no full stop, no comma, no question mark, nothing is been given. We have to add with this. So what will be the answer? See, the first word of first letter D is capital. And do you have my pencil? So I am asking. So at the end what will come? Question mark. Next one is hooray, we won the lottery. Here we are showing the feeling of happiness that we have won the lottery. So what will be the answer? Hooray, we'll use exclamation mark, and then we won the lottery. At the end, full stop. New Delhi is the capital of India. See, New Delhi word is a proper noun. It is a name of proper. So, New Delhi is the capital of India. So, what will come in the answer? Yes, New Delhi. N and D both are capital, and I of India. So, this will be like capitalization. We have to use capitalization in this sentence. And at the end, full stop. Last one. Ram is kind, generous and helpful. Here we are talking about a person, that is Ram. So Ram is a proper noun, so R will be capital, and we are seeing how the Ram is. Ram is kind, generous and helpful. So no comma and no full stop is used. So what will come? Ram is kind, comma, generous and helpful. So kids, this was all about our grammar topic, punctuation. We'll meet again in our next class. Till then, take care.